Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. So today we're making saag is spinach. So this is saag, Sarson saag in name. This is Asian food, so ka saag. This one is spinach. So this is saag. Sarko saag is beautiful. Green makes beautiful, delicious. And this one is English is soya saag. So this is soya saag. And Sarko saag both. First we put 1 cup of water and now we put inside saag. Sarko saag. Sarko ka saag. Very simple, very easy, and please try to make this, okay? We put it in cooker. And we so now it's clean and washed already. Cook is on. Uh, don't put chili powder anything, and don't mix. No mixing. We put cooker on, and remember we put a special thingy, this thing, to make steam. Listen. No, this is listen. Listen, tell you how many times. So this is 2 garlic and chili, and this is garlic, crushed garlic. We put inside. So 4-5 tablespoons. No too much oil. This is normal. This is the garful saag. Look, it's not too much oil. And now we put in the chili and tomato. No tomato. No, put chili flake, salt and coriander powder, chili flake, or 1 tablespoon. So this is saag, still boiling. This is light brown color. And now we put in light brown color. Chili powder, chili flakes and light brown color. And salt and everything. And 1 cup of water. We're mixing. I will check saag is done or no. So now we open. Saag is half done. Little bit of water left. Now we reduce water. 10 minutes. This is masala for saag. Still water. Waiting until water finish, then never tell you what we do, okay? And then again checked. All water is finished. Look, can you see? And this masala is done. It's a bit water meshing like this. Okay, look, the water is finished. I'm putting saag inside masala. And it's clean, a little bit messy. And I'll be mixing. Mix for 10 or 20 minutes. 10 or 20 minutes. Very delicious, very healthy. It's green, it's very good for health. It's almost done. When we start here, cook is full here. Now look, there's a little bit left. Look, there's a little bit left, not much. Beautiful. Look, it's beautiful, healthy, and very delicious. Good for you. So guys, now we're gonna tasting. Hi guys, I am Qasim Khan. Today we will taste saag. Saag is very delicious. And look over there. And now I get my spoon. Tasty. Very nice. So delicious. Like, subscribe, share family, friends. And please eat this saag. Very healthy. This one is so kasar. So kasar. So delicious, very delicious, very healthy. And ooh la la, very nice. Look, my hat is new and I'm a chef now. I bought this hat from yesterday and it's new. Okay, bye guys. Bye.